Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to test 5 different video cameras. First up is the JVC Everio GZ-E200. Then we have the Canon LEGRIA HF R67, which looks the most solid and comes with 8 GB of built-in internal memory. Next is the Sony HDR-CX405, a very popular model. Right now, used units cost over €200. After that, we have the Sony HDR-CX240E. And finally, the Sony HDR-PJ410. Let's start the first test. We'll check what the image looks like when recorded with each camera, and we'll also listen to the audio quality. You can write in the comments which camera performed best in the first test. Now, we're checking how the cameras handle recording moving subjects. The oldest camera is the JVC, produced in 2012, while the rest were all released in the same year, 2015. Each of them is now over 10 years old. For comparison with current technology, I decided to record the same scene using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The video quality has changed quite a lot over the past 10 years, so I thought it would be a good idea to include this in my video. It's time for the second to last test. In this test, we'll check the stabilization of each camera. This is the final test. In this one, we'll check the zoom capability of each camera. If you've made it to this moment, let me know in the comments which camera you think performed best in this comparison. The next video will be about an electric scooter, and it's coming very soon, so don't forget to subscribe so you get a notification when it's out. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.